Hello guys, let's solve this problem. This is from September 2022 REE board exam in the subject mathematics. What is the greatest common factor of 24 and 64? So first, what is the greatest common factor? So sa madaling salita, ito yung pinakamalaking number na makakapag-divide sa given numbers evenly. That means walang remainder. So spoiler for this problem, yung sagot dito is letter A, 8. Now try natin. 24 divided by 8 is 3. 64 divided by 8 is 8. So as you can see, walang remainder. Now, paano ko nasabi na siya yung largest? So prove natin na yung 8 yung largest. One way to solve this, to prove na 8 yung largest, is to list the factors. Madali lang naman to, especially kung yung given numbers ay maliit lang naman. So first, list natin yung factors ng 24. The factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. Next, list natin yung factors ng 64. The factors are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, and 64. Now, as you can see, yung common na factor sa kanila, merong 1, both merong 2, both merong 4, both merong 8, and yun na, wala na silang common. So, as you can see, yung pinakamalaki na common is 8. So, na-prove na natin, 8 is the largest. Now, paano kung malaki yung number? Siyempre, mahirap naman i-list lahat ng factors kung malaki yung numbers. 'Di ba? Na given. So, another method to solve this problem is by using the Euclidean algorithm. So, what is the Euclidean algorithm? So, dito, sabi, given two integers, a and b, where a is greater than b, divide a by b and obtain the remainder r. Replace a with b and b with r. Repeat steps 2 and 3 until r is equal to 0. When r is equal to 0, the GCD is the last non-zero remainder. So para mas maintindihan, apply natin dito sa problem. So in this problem, yung a natin is 64, yung b natin is 24. So apply natin, 64 divided by 24, that is 2 remainder 16. Now sabi, replace a with b and b with r. So yung magiging a natin dito is yung b natin, which is 24. A is equal to 24. Tapos yung magiging b natin ngayon is 16. So ulitin natin yung step. Divide a with b. 24 divided by 16, that is 1 remainder 8. Tapos ulit, yung magiging a natin is yung dating b, which is 16. Tapos yung magiging b natin is yung r, which is 8. Ulitin natin, divide a by b. So 16 divided by 8, that is 2 remainder r. Remainder 0. So since r is equal to 0 na, pwede na tayo mag-stop. And sabi dito, when r is equal to 0, the GCD is the last non-zero remainder. So ano yung last non-zero remainder? Before maging r is equal to 0, ano muna? That is 8. Yan yung last non-zero remainder. So as you can see, pareho 8 yung lumabas sa dalawang method na tinuro ko. So the answer for this problem is letter A, 8. So tip, merong mga calculator na may built-in na GCD function like Canon F789 SGA. So yun yung ginamit ko nung nag-take ako ng boards kasi lumabas tong problem na 'to, nung board exam namin. So, luckily pinayagan ako nun. So, I don't know now kung pinapayagan pang gamitin yung Canon F789 SGA sa board exam ng electrical engineers. So, kung hindi naman na, gamitin niyo na lang din 'tong dalawang methods. So, that's all for this video. Thank you and please help my channel grow by subscribing. God bless.